Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, this is Danish, and please like and subscribe my video for more information. So today I will tell you that if your IELTS score is less than CLB 8 or CLB 8, or your age is 32 plus, or your experience is like more than 8 years, and you have a master's degree, then you are eligible for the SINP program. So I will calculate to the SINP eligibility calculation. So it's official website saskatchewan.ca. We will check our points here. Okay, in this program you need the minimum 16 point at least, so you are the eligible of this program. So first of all, we see that there is a master program, or sorry, master degree points is 23. Okay, and if you have experience more than 10 years, so it will be count like that. For the 5 years, first 5 years, every 2 points each year. So for 5 years it is 10, and more 5 years, like if like you have a 10 years experience or 8 years experience or 9 year experience, so you have to count this point also. Like for the 5 years you have a 10, and if you have a 7 years experience, so you have to 2 points here, so it's round about 12 points. So you have to calculate this point from reverse side, like you are in currently it's 2020, so you have to calculate like 2020, 19, 18, 17, so you have to go back like this. So it will calculate that like this. So next is like your language points. So here is the CLB 8, it's the maximum. Like mostly the people don't get the CLB 9 score, which is 8777, means 8 in listening. So you can also check the IELTS convert here from this. You can click here, so you can change into IELTS into CLB. Okay, so from the 2021, it will be give you additional 10 points if you are bilingual. So if you score in the French CLB 8, so you will get extra 10 points. So it's about like 20 here and 10 here, so it's about 30 points in language. And the most important in this is age factor. Here is a relaxation on like 22 to 34. Usually 34 age, so less point. And the more other thing, that's only the 2 points difference. There is a 35 to 45 years. Means you have a very big chance here if you are more experienced. Like if you are of course 34 years, so usually you are more than 7 or 8 years experience. So we will calculate here later. And one thing important is that if your first cousin, parent, sibling, grandpa, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, like they are living, so you will get 20 points extra. And so the maximum point you can achieve like 110. So now I will calculate the points. If suppose you are master degree and you have 8 years or 10 years experience, and you have only speak English, and you achieve the CLB 8, so I will calculate like this. Okay, I will open the calculator, then I tell you. Now calculator is open. Suppose you have a master degree, so you get the maximum points is 23. Then your experience is like, I will calculate with the 5 years. Okay, plus 10, it's now 33 Now you have only one language you can speak, it's English, and you can achieve the CLB 8. So it's 20, now it's 53 already, and your age is less than 34, so now it's 65. This is what I am telling you, that it's like 65 you already achieve. Here you can see the minimum requirement is 60 points, like 60 points. So you can eligible for the 65, you can easily achieve. That's the good program, so you can achieve easily achieve. But this program has one technically you can say that flaw, or you can say that it's a technical game, that the experience should be in a one knock. It should be in one knock. So that's the important. Suppose you are the marketeer and advertising side, so the code is 1123. So your job experience should be in a one knock, like 1123. Suppose I have this knock 1123, so I have all experience on same knock. If it doesn't matter how many times you have switched the company, but only the problem is that you should job in under one knock. So my point is that the consultant will tell you that some PNP programs are available, you can look at that. So blah blah, they will tell you that. Anyhow, you know, are you eligible or not? That's the most important part. So if you are looking for the SINP, so at least look at calculate yourself that you are eligible or not. And the most important part is the one knock. One knock is more important. Currently the score is like 68, 69. So you can achieve if you have 8 years experience. So I can change with the 8 years experience. Now I have to add, suppose I had 10 points for the 5 years, and suppose you have 8 years, so you can additional 3 plus, so plus 3. See, this is a 68 point. So 68 points means you are the eligible. So I think it's now clear for you guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.